16 years.
You don't have a party every night, do you?
Nah. That's my first party in 16 years I've lived here.
It don't bother me that, mate.
The other car's going to blow up now.
Yeah, I know.
Now the petrol tank's gone. Oh, we were a bit late. Could have saved the other car. Oh, fucking hell! Fucking hell!
Me?
Look at it go!
The other car's really going in a minute.
Yeah, I know. It's the next one to go. Did you hear it blow up, thing?
Yeah.
Hey, stand back, stand back. Just in case it starts throwing debris up there.
And another car's going to explode in a second, mate.
That other car's set alight, isn't it?
Yeah.
It is now.
That's something like. They get it quick, that's something like, would it?
And here's your mum, go down and chucks a bucket of water on it. I thought, I ain't going down there. I'm not going near it. Because I knew it was going to explode.
Well, that's not going to do much, is it?
Worst thing you can do is throw water on petrol, mate.
Yeah, that's right.
Well, this is when it first started. But I don't know how quick it's going to set on fire to the petrol tank.
They're killing the flat. The flames are coming down equally.
That's melted plastic and petrol.
See, they've probably got loads of this all round fucking the area, mate.
It's all over the place, it's all over London, isn't it? Up and down the
Not
country.
enough police and fire brigade to fucking deal with it.
They just do one straight away. They're fire petrol on it.
Yeah. Oh, you heard it when...
Yeah, I heard it.
Yeah, me too.
I was watching telly me first.
Oh, riot, please.
When it first hit it, I heard that.
Sitting in bed watching telly, had the window open, and I heard the bang. I thought, what the fuck's that?
What's the cops going to do? We need a fire brigade.